Now, before you throw those coffee grounds away, let me share with you a few coffee hacks in less than 5 minutes, starting with garlic and onions. As we know, they can get into your hands. The stench is really real. So instead of just using regular old soap to wash your hands, use coffee grounds. It actually is an amazing deodorizer that you can use and then follow up with your normal dish soap, and it will completely remove the smell. This next hack is for a morning energy boost. You'll grab 1 tablespoon of coffee, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and of course you'll mix them really well together so that they will form a beautifully smooth paste. Of course, you'll grab a top, throw it in the fridge, and in the morning, as you're slowly getting up, heading to the bathroom, do that first yawn, of course, and trying to understand the meaning of life, you'll slowly start to get ready. And when you do, you'll grab that paste that we just made, and you'll rub it between your hands before applying it directly to your face. Now, the amazing thing about coffee is obviously the caffeine. So what we'll actually do as you're applying it to your face, it will literally consume your nostrils. As you see there, I just let out the most amazing inhale because it smells so good, you guys. You have to try it. And it also gently exfoliates your skin while decreasing fine lines. You can't lose with that one. So, of course, you'll rinse your face off really well, pat your face dry, and look at that glow, guys. And while you're still in the bathroom, let's go ahead and make a lip scrub. You're gonna take a little bit of those coffee grounds, add just 1 drop, of honey, mix it really well together, and apply it directly to your lips. Of course, in circular motions. Be careful not to use too much pressure. You don't want to rip your lips. Add some peppermint oil, 1 drop, as you can see. I'm panicking. And rub your lips together. It's very cooling, of course. And it will give you a nice, natural lip boost. Give you a little bit more volume in your lips if you're looking for that. Of course, make sure you moisturize afterwards with some Vaseline or shea butter or whatever your favorite moisturizer is, and you're good. Did you know that there's several insects that do not like coffee grounds? Well, ants are actually one of them, snails, slugs, beetles. So in the summertime, go ahead and spread a little around your doorways and also on your windowsill. This next hack involves these beautiful flowers that I just recently picked up. What you'll do is grab a tablespoon of coffee grounds, add it to the soil of your flowers, pat it down really well, and display it however you normally would. The coffee grounds actually extend the life of your flowers. This hack helps to smooth out the skin and reduce the appearance of cellulite. You'll take a 1/2 cup of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. As you see, I'm struggling a little there to get everything on the spoon. There we go. And then we'll take 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Now you can use olive oil, almond oil, jojoba oil. Both almond and jojoba are amazing for the skin, as well as olive oil. It's very moisturizing. So of course you'll mix them really well. It will be kind of clumpy, but that's what we want. And then you'll cover it up. And when it's time to get the scrubbing, I'm actually focusing on my chest area because of course, and the neck shows the first signs of aging. So I'm getting those really well to smooth those out and start to reduce the signs of fine lines. Of course, I have sensitive skin, which means I normally end up with pretty red skin after a good scrub. So I didn't push hard, but of course, I'm following up with some shea butter, and just make sure you get really good in there and moisturize well. And there you have it. Smooth. If you're enjoying these life hacks, beauty hacks, all the hacks, I've got tons and tons more for you. So if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe right down below. If you have subscribed, I thank you so much for hanging with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.